Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. Now I am telling about different type of temperature sensor. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. A temperature sensor is a device that detects and measures hotness and coolness and convert it into an electrical signal. There are different type of temperature sensors that have sensing capacity upon their range of applications. The six basic type of temperature measuring sensor discussed in this video. Number 1, thermocouples. Number 2, semiconductor. Number 3, RTD. Number 4, infrared. Number 5, thermistor. Number 6, thermometer. Thermocouples. A thermocouple is an electrical device consisting of two dissimilar electrical conductors forming electrical junction at differing temperatures. A thermocouple produces a temperature dependent voltage as a result of the thermoelectric effect, and this voltage can be interpreted to measure temperatures. Thermocouples are used in many industrial, scientific power generation, oil, gas, pharmaceutical, biotech, cement, paper and pulp, etc. Thermistor. A thermistor is a type of resistor whose resistance is dependent on temperature more so than in standard resistors. Thermistors are of two opposite fundamental types. Number 1, negative temperature coefficient or NTC type thermistor. Resistance decreases as temperature rises. An NTC is commonly used as a temperature sensor or in series with a circuit as an inrush current limiter. Number 2, positive temperature coefficient or PTC type thermistor. Resistance increases as temperature rises. PTC thermistors are commonly installed in series with a circuit and used to protect against overcurrent conditions as resettable fuses. RTD, resistor temperature detectors. Resistance temperature detectors (RTD) differ from thermistor in that the material used in a thermistor is generally a ceramics or polymer. While RTDs use pure metals, the thermistors are in the form of beads, rods and discs, but RTDs are in different shapes and size. The temperature response is also different. RTD are useful over larger temperature ranges, while the thermistor typical achieve a greater precision within a limited temperature range, typically -90 degrees centigrade to 130 degrees centigrade. Semiconductor sensor. They are classified into different types like voltage output, current output, digital output, resistance output, silicon and diode temperature sensors. Modern semiconductor temperature sensors offer high accuracy and high linearity over an operating range of about 55 degrees centigrade to 150 degrees centigrade. Internal amplifiers can scale the output to convenient values such as 10 microvolt by centigrade. They are also useful in cold junction compensation circuits for wide temperature range thermocouples. Infrared temperature sensor. Infrared temperature sensors are non-contacting sensors. As an example, if you hold up a typical infrared sensor to the front of your desk without contact, the sensor will tell you the temperature of the desk by virtue of its radiation, probably 68 degrees Fahrenheit at normal room temperature. In a non-contacting measurement of ice water, it will measure slightly under 0 degree centigrade because of evaporation, which is slightly lower the exact temperature reading. Thermometers. A thermometer is a device that measures temperature or temperature gradient. A thermometer has two important elements. Number one, a temperature sensor, the bulb of mercury in glass thermometers, in which some change occurs with a change in temperature. Number two, some means of converting these change into a numerical value, the visible scale that is marked on a mercury in glass thermometer. Thermometers are widely used in technology and industry to monitor processes in meteorology, in medicine, and in scientific research. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.